All right, we've got a before and after comparison of some raw vinyl that I've digitized. I've got Billy Thorpe's guitar solo from Children of the Sun. Now that is one recording. The EQ kicks in about 10 seconds, so you can hear the raw audio straight from vinyl, and then at the 10-second point, it kicks in with the EQ'd version, and it cuts out very quickly after that. Also on this video, I've got Deborah Allen's intro to the song Baby I Lied. This is two separate recordings. One is the intro as it was, as I recorded it into the software, no processing, no click, pop removal, anything. And then the second recording is clicks and pops are gone, and we've brought out the highs. You can listen to the cymbals. The cymbals are important. You need to listen to this on good speakers or headphones. If you're listening on a laptop speaker, you may as well click stop now, because this video will be pointless on those little dime-sized speakers on your laptop. So enjoy. This is some before and after of what I do as a hobby in my free time.